baby. Walk in the club, my heater, baby. Damn, hello, good evening, baby. I'm having cheat like Velveeta, baby. I mean, my head ain't seen me lately. Until I pull up in the drop top. Got your bruh cold in a crop top. You want smoke, we gon' make it a hot box.
Loser.
Alright, y'all, I got a quick video for y'all. I ordered these, I guess you can call them EyeLids for the Mini. Pretty self-explanatory. They just sit on the car like such. I'm assuming you just double-sided tape them. That'd be probably the only way to put them up there. But yeah, I got some paint match that I've already had left over, so I'm gonna paint match them the color of the car, and I'm gonna throw some double-sided tape on it, and that'd be wraps for this quick video. All right, I got my paint booth set up. I gave the EyeLids a quick little, scuff up. That way the primer can stick good to it. So I'm gonna lay down a couple coats of primer. All right, so we got 2 coats of primer. Now we're gonna put some red paint. And then afterwards, I'll put a 2K clear on it to try to match the car as close as possible. All right, y'all, so it's been a couple days. I actually had to order a new can of paint because the other can, it started just like spitting out the paint. I don't know if you can see the little spit marks or whatever you want to call it. So what I actually did was I resanded it, and I'm gonna hit it with another coat, and hopefully we can get some clear coat in. All right, y'all, so that was the final coat of base coat that I'm gonna run. Next I'm gonna be doing a clear coat. So I'll probably put like 3, maybe 4 coats of clear on it, depending on how it turns out. But yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so I got the EyeLids stuck up there temporarily for now. I'm not 100% sure if I'm just gonna run double-sided tape, or thinking about getting a stronger double-sided tape and some panel bond or something like that. But yeah, for now I just got them temporarily stuck up there with 3M double-sided tape. This is what they looking like. They don't match the car 100% perfect, only because this paint seems more newer, like color-wise. But for the most part, you can't really tell the difference. It's gonna be a little bit of gap where you can see the chrome. Also thinking about ideas, should I wrap it or paint the chrome part? More than likely, I just leave it. It doesn't really bother me too much. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate y'all rocking with me, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.